Good morning, y'all. Again. So I have chickens, as y'all know, and recently set up big rat traps because little critters get in my thing. I don't believe in killing animals unless they're for food. Like I've hunted since I was like little, and then started hunting with a rifle when I was 12. So I hunt my food to eat, but to just kill an animal like that can be saved is just not for me. So this little guy, it's a possum, got caught in my rat trap this morning or last night, and he's too big for this to kill him, which is nice, but now I gotta relocate him. So I'm gonna take him to the gym with me and put him somewhere because I don't want to kill him, but I also do not want him around my chickens. So we are Operation Relocating this motherfucker. So I'm not really sure how to get him out of this without like injuring myself or him. That's why I got house mitts. Okay, buddy. Hang on. I know. There we go. Is that better? You can breathe now. I know. Little buddy. I'm gonna put you in this little black bag, okay? I know it's scary, but we're gonna get you out in just a little bit. It's right down the street, okay? Let me just pull. Okay. Okay. There we go. All is good. We're gonna go for a car ride. We're gonna leave this one here. All right. Oh, the stories of my life. Okay. So we got little buddy. He's actually very calm right now because he's in a black bag. So, he's not hissing. You can hear him. He's not hissing. He's very calm. So we're going to drive him over to my gym area and we're going to set him free because I can't kill him. Like now, if he was like suffering and already almost dead, then I would off him because then like it would just be better for him. But he is still very much well alive, and so I just can't justify killing him. So we're just gonna relocate him. So stay tuned. Okay, I found a bushed area behind my gym, and there's lots of dumpsters. So this is where we're gonna dump him. And there's 2 cop cars behind me, so this should be interesting. BRB. Hi, buddy. Uh, Hang on, I'll show you. I can't kill